Hey YouTube, I love sitting on my stump, but it's a little heavy and hard to move around. When I bought the pocket hole jig, I throw away all packaging. I was about to throw this away and the stool caught my eye. It's not the best looking stool, but I like how it has wheels and storage. So we are going to scan this QR code, do some research, and figure out how to build it. That was very quick research. There was no YouTube videos on this. I saw this video, but it was just photos from the plans. So I might be making the first video on this Kreg stool. Pretty simple shopping list. Let's go pick those up. We are back from Home Depot. Pretty simple shopping list. I should have plenty of plywood. There's a large sheet over there. Here is the cut list, but I want to try and use as many of those small pieces as possible. Let's start building. I have the top piece and bottom piece ripped and cut. Here's the side pieces. The plans have this at a 11-inch height. I feel like that's a little too short for me, so I made it a little bit taller. Hopefully the change in plans don't mess it up too bad. Let's get the pocket hole jig going. The main box is done. I am still not able to cut very straight and make everything squared up. Going to cut the drawers next. We'll use whatever leftover plywood I have over there. Let's cut it. I have all the drawer pieces prepped and ready to be fastened. I'm using these cheap Home Depot sliders because I don't really care, because this is for the garage. And this was also the only 12-inch one that Home Depot was selling. Let's get them assembled. Okay, second time making drawers. They actually slide this time. I like these cheap ones. I'm not sure if I'm getting better at lining them up or the cheap ones just have a lot more forgiveness. They're not flush, so I won't be making our kitchen cabinets anytime soon. Let's work on that little shelf on the side. I got the side shelf on there with pocket holes on the main part. Here is brad nails and glue. The caster wheels are working pretty good. I am super happy to have a little bit more storage. This is definitely not fine furniture, but I love it. I finally have a seat where I can roll around in. Video 54 done.